This is Meringue 101, everything you need to know about making French, Swiss and Italian meringue. I'm going to show you how to make them, what to do with them and the pros and cons of each.
For the French meringue, we add egg whites into the bowl of a stand mixer and whisk on a medium-low speed. Once you reach small little bubbles like this, it's time to add your sugar. With the mixer off, add your sugar in a tablespoon at a time and then put it on a medium speed. After about 20 seconds of that mixing, turn it off again, add the sugar and carry on mixing. Once you've added all the sugar, just scrape the edges to get rid of any of that excess sugar, and then we're going to whisk for a further 10 minutes. And you'll be left with stiff peaks to your meringue. We're going to add that mixture into a piping bag, and I'm going to pipe little meringue kisses. And they go into the oven to bake. And once the French meringue is baked, it should look completely smooth and feel dry to the touch. For Swiss meringue, we go eggs and sugar. We're going to whisk that over a pan of gently simmering water until it reaches 65 degrees C. Once at temperature, get it off the heat onto your stand mixer. Whisk for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, you have a nice stiff meringue, add in lemon juice and sift in corn flour. You want to carefully fold those ingredients in, and then you can either just spread it onto a silica mat using the back of a spoon or add it into a piping bag and pipe decorative nests. And they go into the oven to bake. And once the Swiss comes out of the oven, you can see it's still beautiful, it's held its shape really nicely. There's a few small cracks, but it's perfect for a little pavlova. Italian meringue, we add sugar and water into a saucepan and we cook it on a medium heat until it registers 118 degrees Celsius. While that heats up, we add egg whites into a stand mixer and mix on a medium-low speed. And once your sugar's at temperature, pour it slowly in between the whisk and the bowl, whisking on a medium-high speed. Once you're done whisking, you'll have a very stiff, glossy meringue. You can now use the Italian meringue to pipe or decorate with, and then take a blowtorch and torch it until it's golden. So the French, definitely the easiest to make and perfect for little decorations like this, but it can be difficult to dissolve the sugar into the meringue, which means it does not do well in humid conditions. Now the Swiss is a little bit more difficult to make, but it is perfect for pavlovas because it's going to hold its shape really well and you're going to get crispy outside and a nice marshmallowy centre. And finally Italian, which is probably the most difficult to make, but I like to call it my decorating meringue because not only do you get this beautiful, glossy, stable meringue, which is perfect for piping, but when you blowtorch it, you get a really nice golden colour, which is great for lemon meringue pies or decorating the outside of a cake.